Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to the video. In this video we're going to be unboxing the Zowie Ec2-a Esports gaming mouse. So before we begin, be sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, also like the video and make sure you click the bell. So as you can see, the packaging for this mouse is really nice. It's kind of like black and red themed, and well, it kind of matches my gaming setup. My PC is black and red, which is just off to the side from where the camera is. Also matches my mic, which I'm kind of happy about. Also, hopefully the mouse is actually black and red. Well, we're going to see that in a second when I unbox the mouse. So as you can see, I have the mouse placed on my desk, and the desk that I have is the Zowie Arena gaming desk. Now, I haven't made a review for this desk yet. However, I think I might be making a video for that shortly. So be sure you let me know down in the comment section if you would like me to make a review and maybe just kind of show you around the desk. However, in this video we're going to be unboxing this mouse. Now, I've been really excited for this mouse to come. It was super fast delivery. It was like next day delivery, which I'm kind of happy about. Anyway, as you can see, I'm unboxing the mouse now, and in the box comes with a spare set of like underneath mouse pad feet, I guess. Also a card telling you how to like install the mouse. Well, there's nothing really you need to do. All you need to do is just plug the mouse in and it's ready to use. Also in the box comes with a sticker, which is I believe the Zowie sticker, which is kind of cool. I'm not sure where I'm going to put that or if I'm even going to use it. However, now I'm going to be showing you around the mouse, and well, first like thoughts on the mouse. It does feel amazing, and another reason I bought this mouse is because they're massive underneath mouse pad feet, which should really give the mouse like a lot of grip on my mousepad, since my mousepad is kind of slippery in a way just because of the material the mousepad is made with. So as you can see here, I'm comparing the mouse with my old mouse, which is the Razer Abuse 2014 version. Also, this mouse does have two buttons on the left side of the mouse, which you can bind once you're in game to kind of do whatever you want, really. So as you can see, side by side, the Zowie mouse seems slightly bigger. Well, it has like a bigger like part on the palm, which can be quite good, I guess, since this mouse is for right-handed people only, and the Razer mouse is for left and right-handed people. So obviously I am right-handed. That's another reason I bought this mouse, because I kind of feel like maybe the mouse would be a lot better when it comes to first-person shooters, which I mainly play, like FORTNITE and PUBG and CSGO and Arma 3 and stuff. So now I'm going to show you what the buttons sound like. As you can see, a lot of people have also complained how the buttons on the side of the mouse press in a lot. However, I don't really see that as a problem, and I don't really see how they do press in a lot. It seems perfectly fine to me. So one thing I feel like I noticed is that the Zowie mouse, the buttons do feel like they click in a lot faster than the Razer mouse. Also, as you probably gonna notice in a second, the scroll wheel on the Zowie mouse is really loud when you scroll. However, I noticed once I had gone and started playing on games, I couldn't really hear the sound of the scroll wheel. Also, I just kind of want to add in here that the Zowie mouse is extremely light compared to the Razer mouse. So as you can see now, we're going to be changing the DPI. So the Ec2-a has a scroll wheel with 4-color LED, which you can change to red, which will be the first time when you plug it in, it will be on red, which will be 400 DPI, which is the lowest that the mouse can go. And also purple, which is 800 DPI, and blue, which is 1600. There's also green, which is 3200 DPI. So this mouse does go up to a max DPI of 3200. Okay, so now we're gonna go in game, and we're going to kind of test out the mouse, see how it feels. I have to admit that it does feel extremely weird using this mouse at first. However, trust me, after maybe a few games, you do get used to it. The only thing that was really bothering me about this mouse is on the top right side of the mouse, it really it goes inwards and down, so there's not really anywhere for you to grip on. However, once you get used to using it, it does feel a lot better. I guess it's not like the Death Adder, but you could maybe compare it to the Death Adder. However, I don't only play Fortnite, I do play other games like PUBG and CSGO and Arma 3. So I will be making maybe a few up. Obviously, all of my gaming videos that I make, it's going to be with this new mouse. So if you would like to kind of see what this new mouse is like within gaming, maybe on CSGO, maybe I'll make a video playing CSGO, see how well I can do with this mouse on CSGO. So if you would like to see that video, let me know down in the comment section. Also be sure you like the video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, so I've been using this mouse for around 6 to 7 hours now, and I'd like to give a bit of a review. So as far as the mouse goes, I would like to say that it is an amazing mouse, well, for like first person shooters. I've mainly been playing Fortnite and PUBG. I haven't been able to go and play CSGO yet. However, I'm probably going to go and play a competitive match later on tonight, which I might even live stream on Twitch. So if you'd like to follow me on twitch.tv/idxf, and you can come and watch me playing CSGO live on Twitch. Anyway, so getting back to the review. The mouse, it feels like it kind of slips through your hands a little bit if you don't hold it tight. However, once you kind of get into the game, it kind of like fixes itself, if that makes sense. So I do wish that the mouse had like rubber grips on the left and right side of the mouse, and instead of kind of like a glossy mat, which the mouse does have. Also, the scroll wheel is kind of sketchy at times. It does feel like it's gonna break. However, I guess it's hopefully fine. I don't want to have to return it. I don't want to have to get a different mouse. However, the scroll wheel does feel a bit sketchy. However, the things that I do like about the mouse is the buttons on the side of the mouse. Since my last mouse that I've been using for like several years now, I didn't have any extra buttons that I can bind for games or anything, and I've really found it like really helpful to have these extra buttons on the side of the mouse, especially in Fortnite, where I bounded them to build a wall and to build stairs. It's really kind of helped me out in a lot of like sticky situations. Also, I'm sure if you're probably wanting to buy this mouse, you're probably going to be wanting to know how the DPI works. As you probably saw from the unboxing where I showed you the DPI settings and the DPI button, I've been using 400 DPI, which is the red color. However, I haven't really used any other DPI, but if you're wanting to use like a higher DPI, I'm sure the mouse will still do like exceptionally well in first person shooters and any other kind of games that you're really wanting to play. So to conclude really the review part of this video, I would say that the mouse is very good, and I'm probably going to keep it depending on how it is in maybe a week or so's time. Obviously, when you buy something from Amazon, you do have a 14 days where you can return the mouse. So within 14 days, if you decide you don't like it or you don't want it or something breaks, you can return it. So I guess I'm going to keep it for a little while, and I'm going to continue to play with it, and hopefully nothing goes wrong with it. And if the mouse continues to go strong, I will be keeping it. I am going to be making a few more videos on Fortnite. Maybe I'll try and get like my most insane game, like hopefully like 15 to 20 kill game, and I'll be uploading that as a separate video. I also have a giveaway which I'm going to be making another video right now for announcing the giveaway. Here's a bit of a sneak preview. I'm giving away £140 worth of games, which I'll be hosting on Gleam. Obviously for people that are subscribed to my channel. So if you'd like a chance to win one of them games, there's altogether 10 games as well. So be sure you go and check out that video. I will have a link in the description, so you can go and check out that giveaway if you'd like to. And well, I'm going to leave you with this little bit of gameplay. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any kind of help or you'd like to know anything about this mouse, just be sure to ask me in the comments. I will be sure to reply to everyone that comments on the video. So, well, thanks for watching. Peace out and enjoy the rest of the little bit of gameplay.
Always know that you'll be safe. I'll be here throughout your days. Come find me and we will play.